When should I file for divorce in Illinois? Thinking about divorce is common, but deciding when to file can significantly impact your case. In Illinois, there is no required waiting period before filing for divorce, meaning you can begin the process at any time. However, at least one spouse must have lived in Illinois for 90 days before the divorce is finalized. This timing requirement can influence when a lawyer may recommend filing your case. Filing early or delaying can affect issues like child support, maintenance, and asset division. A divorce attorney will often evaluate your financial and family situation before advising on timing. There is no major legal advantage to being the first to file, as both parties have equal standing in court. The person who files first is called the petitioner, while the other spouse is the respondent. Filing first may allow you to choose the county where the case will be heard, which can be a practical advantage. If the other spouse does not respond, the court may enter a default judgment that can decide key issues. Parenting time decisions are based on the best interests of the child rather than filing timing. However, courts often preserve the current parenting arrangement through temporary orders. These temporary orders can become permanent, making timing important if you want to maintain your current schedule. Child support in Illinois generally cannot be awarded for periods before the divorce filing date. This means filing sooner may help establish financial support earlier. Maintenance, also known as alimony, is based on the parties' incomes at the time of divorce. The duration of maintenance is calculated using the length of the marriage at the time the case is filed. Waiting to file until after an anniversary could increase or decrease maintenance obligations. Marital property includes assets acquired during the marriage up until the divorce judgment is entered. Filing earlier may help limit how long future income and assets are shared. Dissipation of assets refers to one spouse using marital property for non-marital purposes. Claims for dissipation are limited to certain timeframes tied to the filing date. A knowledgeable lawyer can help identify whether dissipation has occurred. An experienced attorney can also guide you through strategic decisions about when to file. Choosing the right timing depends on your financial situation, parenting arrangements, and long-term goals. Working with a law firm ensures you understand how Illinois law applies to your specific circumstances. Law Office of Russell D. Knight is a Chicago law firm you can contact at 773-334-6311 located at 1165 North Clark Street, number 700, Chicago, Illinois, 60610, United States.